Girl, don't do this. I'm cutting it out. Head up. Girl. Get up. Jinx, no. You need to do your hair. Honestly.
A few inches later.
Let's go. Come on, walk. Which one? Oh, you like crackers. You ready? I'm gonna get you two because I ain't got time. I'm glad you didn't get any of this because I was really actually thinking about getting her some of these sugary snacks. But thank God I forgot she loved crackers. So I'm gonna get her 2 of them. I'm gonna fuck around and get her 3. Ready? Okay, let's buy it. Okay, we got our snack. I forgot how much my baby loves crackers. So this should hold her. I got 2 packs. There's at least 3 more packs left. So if I need to buy more, your girl will. Your girl will, because we got to get this hair done. She need to look fly.
million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.